Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a very simple Christmas cake that we are donating for the homeless Christmas party. Let's get started.
The first thing I did was cut out the fondant decorations. I rolled out some white fondant and cut out some trees. I wanted to make a forest and a starry sky, so I cut out several sizes of trees, although this one was actually a holly leaf that I felt resembled an evergreen tree, and several sizes of stars. I tried to use this snowflake cutter, but it's very thin and didn't hold its shape very well. I finished cutting out some circles and stars and set them aside. Then I stacked the cake. This is vanilla cake and raspberry Swiss meringue buttercream. I also filled the cake with raspberry jam. Then I crumb-coated the cake with the raspberry buttercream and chilled it for about 15 minutes. Then I frosted the cake again with more buttercream, taking the time to make the buttercream thick enough you couldn't see the cake through the buttercream, and smoothing it nice and smooth. If you like what you see, hit that like button, and while you're down there, hit subscribe. Then I began placing the decorations. I began with the largest trees, and worked down to the smaller ones. Then I placed the largest stars around the top of the cake. I had a couple trees left over, so I placed them in the middle of the cake. Then I placed the rest of the small stars around the side of the cake. I think this cake is lovely. It's simple yet effective. The stars add some celebration, and the forest a sense of peace. It's sweet on top of the purpley pink of the raspberry buttercream. Merry Christmas! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram.